Okay, hi everyone. So I needed to do a little test video, and what I thought I'd do is just to do a little bit of review of today's trading. Now, it's about 8:30 in the evening now, so I'm about sort of wrapped up for the day. It's been quite a good day's trading. It's been sort of some good trends out there. It's been some good direction as well, and it's been sort of pretty straightforward, I think, sort of throughout the trading session, certainly throughout the European trading session here. So what I had this morning was I had quite a bit of strength in the US dollar, of course in the yen, which we've had for a few days now, particular weakness in the Kiwi, and that was really the basis of my sort of trading for the day. So on Kiwi yen here, which just played nicely into the analysis that I was looking at, which was obviously yen strength and Kiwi weakness. We got a pullback into the moving averages that you can see just sort of tested here on the 4-hour. In fact, the setup was on the 60-minute chart. So if I come down to the 60. You can see what sort of happened. We had the sort of breakout here. We had pivot points and 61.8% fib level. Pull back in here. But this move was supported by a comment from Mr. Trump, which related to the trade wars, which the markets are sort of obviously loving at the moment. That gave the market some impetus here to get back to the entry level, and then of course the prevailing trend just continued. So this was a nice little sort of smack trade here, straight into the entry here, stop above the high. It's down, achieved its 1-to-1 now, and slightly more. That was this morning. Then sort of later on this afternoon, we had a bit of weakness, or more weakness I should say, starting to come into the euro. If we come and have a look at the euro, let's have a look at the bigger picture first. Of course, we can see euro quite well, quite nice sort of trends here, quite nice decisive decision here, and of course, you know, with the strength in dollar, it's got no chance. So this is coming down now. Now the setup that I was looking at, let me just drag my other screen down here and try and sort of highlight where I got in here. It wasn't the most prettiest entry, but it was right in between. We've had quite a bit of news out today, so it was in between those sort of major news announcements. So it's around the print was around 145. So it was around this. In fact, it was this candle here. And what I liked about it was we got the sort of pullback. This is a 200 tick chart trade, by the way. So we got the pullback into the averages, got a break of this sort of level here as well. So it's breaking new lows, stop above the high. And you can see it didn't really sort of go too far for too long. So it got in, but didn't quite get to where it wanted to go. And now it's sort of finally rolled over and it started to do as it's told. So that one's sort of playing nicely. And I'm going to be just sort of getting out of that sort of soon, because I don't want to hold it overnight. And the third one is I've had a little bit here on the US indexes. So if we come back to the indexes now, 1448. So it was just after the open. In fact, I think it was here. 1450, yeah. So it was just around just a straightforward little trend following strategy there, sort of pulling into the averages. Obviously, you know, nice little solid trend there, and sort of scaled out as that market sort of moved on. So we've had some, as I said, it's been a sort of pretty clear day for the market. So we had some nice sort of moves out there. This is just a quick sort of recap of the trading activity that I've done today, just to do a bit of a test video here for Smack the Markets. Okay, speak to you soon. Bye for now.